Hi guys. So before entering to the Java, first we are all want to know what is my name. My name is Madan Raj. Don't forget it. Okay. And somebody will say, don't read a Java because Java is more complex and we can't even write a single code of a Java. But in my perspective or in my opinion, Java is more easier than Python. You can think, who is this guy? I only know Java is a more difficult language. How can I read? No, Java is very easy language because after my explanation completed, you all know Java is a easy language. Why we forgot to learn? Don't worry. We made a communicate or we made a relation to complete a full course of a Java. Okay, I will explain step by step or inch by inch of Java. So don't worry. Don't worry about anything. Okay, I will explain it clearly and easily with my easy notes. Okay, shall we go? Yeah, topic. What topic? Programming language and types of programming language. Okay, first, what is programming language? A language is a medium which is used to instruct a computer to perform a specific task. That means the human will instruct a computer to perform a specific task because he has some needs for getting some output, for getting some result. Okay, right. And the next point, a programming language is a special language used by a human to give instruction to a computer. Yeah, this is related to a first point only, so you can easily understand. Just like we speak English or Tamil to communicate with people, we use programming languages to communicate with computer. Yeah, just like if someone or a person one to person one, sorry, person one to person two want communication, sorry, want to communicate, both of them, they will use some language which they understand, so they can communicate and make a relationship. Like that, if I'm a human, sorry, yeah, I am a human, I want to communicate with my computer or my laptop, so what I will give, if something I give hello, like that, it can understand? No, it cannot understand. The computer and some understandable languages. Okay, with all languages we will see in next slides. Okay, and the next point, a computer does not understand normal human language. What I said before, the computer does not understand normal language, so we write instruction in a programming language and the computer follows those instructions to do a task. Yeah, now we understand what is programming language. Yeah, shall we go next slide? Done. Yeah, these are the example for this. Example 1, to print a hello in Python. If you want to print a hello in Python, we can normally print a hello world. But the computer want to know is print. The print is a keyword which is used in a Python to print something. Okay, like that in a Java. But Java it may differ. Okay, and example 2, for a Java, we all know class name, public static void main, or we all know these are the thing we all know. So we all know, but somebody may not know. So I'm going to explain class. Yeah, these are the topics are beyond our session. Yeah, nothing's matter. Yeah, most of the people want to know that. Class. Class is a keyword. Okay. Class, public, static, void, or a keyword, and variables or sorry, and the identifiers are main, string, args, class name are all identifiers. Okay. Identifier means identifying something. We have to identify which program is it. Okay. So system.out.println. This means system get the input from us and give us a output by printing something. Here we print a hello world. You can print anything. You can print your name or anything. Okay, but not numerical words. Okay, if we want to print a numerical words, it will concatenate it. For example, inside I'm writing 10 plus 20. It will add it and give an answer as 30. And another example, if I'm giving 10 plus ing means it will concatenate it. That means it will add it 10 ing. Okay, it will add it. It will not give any error. Okay, don't worry, it will not give any error. It will just add it. Okay, so now you know what is programming language and the examples. Okay, now the types of programming language. Here we have three programming languages: low level, mid level, and high level. Okay, low level language, a language that is easily readable and understandable and executable by a machine. It is also called as machine language or a machine code. Okay, you can easily understand by the definition. Even so, not only in a definition, so I'm also going to explain it. Sorry, if so okay, for example, consider this is not like a notepad. So consider this is a notepad. Now I wrote a code. Okay, and I save it as .java. Okay, now I saved as .java, but it considered it is a Java file. But how it will take as a code. For example, if I'm printing hello world, hello world, how it will take, how it will print a hello world. I will explain. Wait. Yeah. For this, I gave an example for you. Binary language. It will take a word as a binary language, zeros or ones. Wait. So now I want to print a hello world. Hello. Hello. I think so. This can be okay. Hello. This is a hello world. Okay. It will read it. First, it will read and it will check up Notepad 2. It will check a Python Notepad 2. Sorry, Java Notepad. If H is there, here also H will be there. So here also H will be there. Here also E will be there. So here also E will be there. And here also L will be there. Here also L will be there. Here also another L will be there. Here also another L will be there. And same like either here also O will be there. So here also O will be there. So these two are matched. So This will consider as a bytecode. Starting will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and another also 0. Okay, and 1 and match, and finally we got our output as hello. Okay, yeah. If anybody wants to write these notes, yeah, you can copy it, or else I will send to the your administration or something. You can take it. Wait, first I have to erase it because I have to skip. Yeah. Low level language. Now we understand low level language, a language that is easily readable, understandable, and executable by a machine. And it is also called as machine code. Okay, done. An example is binary level language, zeros and ones, right? Now, mid level language. Yeah, it is architectural dependent language that construct set of predefined words called memoics. I think so you're hearing the mnemonics for first time. Don't worry. I have an explanation for this. I will give you what is mnemonics. Okay. It has a set of instruction, and a set of instructions or 806 instruction it has. Okay. Next. So what is mnemonics we have to know. Mnemonics. The short human readable observation or abbreviation or names used in assembly language to represent individual machine instruction. Okay, it is a short thing. Okay, if I'm giving hello, it can be readable by human. Okay, can be readable by human. The mid-level language will be considered as can be readable by human, but names used in assembly language to represent individual machine instruction, that is the instruction, it will give some instruction. Hey, this is my code. I want to print it. Hello world. You have to give me the output. Yeah, simple. This is a mnemonics. Yeah. Next, assembler. Assembler is more easier than mnemonics. A software tool that converts assembly language into machine code. Yeah. The assembly language is what the human gave as a input. The machine level language is zeros and ones. It will convert it as a zeros and ones to understandable by the machine. Yeah, simple. A software tool that convert assembly language into machine code, that is binary, understandable by the machine. Yeah, simple. Okay. Now you know what is programming language, types of programming language. In that types of programming language, low level language and mid level language. So shall we jump to high level language? Yeah, this is the final PPT. Sorry, final slide. Okay, I'm going to miss you. High level language. A language that is easily readable, instructable, and languages by human. Yeah, it is easily readable. High level language, that is user language, which we write a code in Eclipse or code in Java or code in Python or write a code in C, C++, Java, HTML, CSS. These are all the high level languages. Okay, that is the user can read it, the user can instruct it, These are the languages by human. The human which we write the code is called as high level languages. High level language is also called as problem oriented language or user friendly language. Somebody have a doubt, problem oriented language. But so for that I gave another one, user friendly language. It is a user friendly language. We can easily understand because we are only going to write a program. We are only going to get output. So we know what we written. So we can read, we can rewrite, we can update, we can modify, we can do anything because it is a user friendly language. Okay, the simple definition for this, high level language is a user friendly language or user friendly programming language that is close to human language and far from machine language, right? Which we gave an instruction to a laptop or to a programming languages apps like Python, Java, or Eclipse. Java can be written in Eclipse too, or Notepad, which is comfortable to human, which is friendly to human, but it is far from a machine language because machine can understand it. We all know why machine can understand it. Machine can only understand the binary languages, that is zeros and ones. So that's all about it. Now we know what is programming language, types of programming language, what are all the types, and what are all the explanation. Okay, don't forget about it. Mid-level languages has two types or two things. One is mnemonics and another one is assembler. Mnemonics are short and human readable. It can be friendly for human, and assembler are normal human languages or a normal human input can be converted into output for a machine understandable. Okay, that is called assembler. And high level language we all know it is a user friendly language, and low level language we all know it is a binary language, okay, for a human, sorry, for a machine to instruct it. So anybody want a notes? Yeah, you can take it a notes. Okay.